Assalamu alaikum everyone. Back today with another video. Now in today's video what I'm going to show you is how I separate my Musa basjoo banana plants. So I've got quite a few growing, as you can see, and this is the one that I'm going to separate. I've had a few people who actually have asked me how do I do it. So as you can see, this one here, this one's ready to be separated. And I'm going to separate that. I'll keep quite a few of them. I'll just leave them to grow bigger and I'll separate quite a few. So already this year I've separated quite a lot of them. You'll have a look at them at the end of the video, the ones I've separated. And I've separated a few large ones last year. Now what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm going to start drilling around it. A few inches all around it. I'm going to start drilling to soften the compost. Because the compost quite hard around it. As you can see, what I'm doing right now with my drill bit is I'm just drilling all around it. Now once I've done that, I'm going to get a chisel and what I'm going to do is loosen the soil all around that, as you can see. But I'm going to also need the chisel to chisel it off the mother plant. Right, I've got a little bamboo root here which I'm going to have to cut. Never grow bamboo in your garden, they grow everywhere, especially these type. So I'll just get rid of that one. And as I'm digging, look what I found, nice little worm. I'll keep hold of that. Here we go. Yep, get rid of those bamboo roots, they grow everywhere, they can damage your whole garden, even the foundation. I've got an old video on my YouTube channel that you can see where I had to get rid of them all. Now get the chisel and then start chiseling all around that root. You can feel the root of the mother plant. It's quite hard, like the one I've showed here. And so start chiseling away. It's not easy, this. A lot of people think it's very simple to separate a baby pup from the mother plant. But as you can see, it's a lot of hard work. But it's worth it at the end. Also, a lot of people don't know, some of these Musa basjoo plants, they're very expensive. If you go online, you can see some of the good quality ones are expensive. So I'm chiseling away, as you can see. It's quite hard, the roots are very hard from the mother plant. And just make sure you try and chisel inwards. So the more of the bottom you got of the base, the better it is, and the more roots you got, the more chance of survival of the baby plant. A bit more there. Yep, banging away. This is really quite hard work. It keeps you fit as well. No need to go to the gym. Do this all day. You'll be very, very fit and healthy. There you go. Look at that. Yep. It's loosening now. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the more root you get with a plant, the better survival rate it's got. See, the more roots you got, the better it will survive. I had a few which have actually died because I didn't get enough roots on them. Now, whenever I dig up my banana plants, I've always find loads of worms. See that? Another loads of worms, lovely, lovely worms. Never kill these worms and never throw them away. Put them back into your compost because they're great for your garden. They're really good for your garden. So that's all done. Hard bit's done. Now the very easy bit. As you can see, I've got the banana plant, Musa basjoo baby. And look at that, it's nice and healthy. Got a little snail on there, get rid of that. Throw away all the snails, get rid of the snails, kill the snails. Never keep snails. Worms are good, snails are bad, slugs are bad. Now as you can see, I've filled up half of the pot with compost. And what I'm going to do, normal compost, this is multi-purpose normal compost you get in the garden centre. Now I'm going to fill up the rest of it with compost. Push it down, make it firm. You don't have to be very gentle with baby banana plants, they're quite tough. So, as you can see, I'll fill it up as much as possible, compost all the way to the top. Make sure you place in the middle. There you go. Push in, make it firm. So, now, every year I get quite a few. Last year I've got not that many, to be honest. I harvested 2 and a few died, but this year, mashallah, I've got loads growing, about 20 of them total I'll have now. Now I'm not going to separate all of them. I'm going to keep a few in the garden because the more they grow, the bigger your root gets and the more banana plants you get. So here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is more or less it. So when you've topped it up all the way to the top, push it down more. And the next step is, this is very important, very, very important. With any plants, once you repot them in another pot, plenty of water. Because like I said on all my other videos, they go into a bit of a state of a shock. So give them loads of water to drink so the roots get wet and then all that water drains in. As you can see, I'm filling it up to the top with water. And banana plants, they like water. Banana plants drink a lot of water, they love water. I don't think you can really overwater banana plants. Well, that's all done. Now let me show you my plants. See the big ones? The big one, that's from last year, last August. Look how big it's got. Very nice. And all the little ones, this year's. It's all the little baby ones of this year's pups. And this is last year's one. It's doing well. I'm going to have to repot them in the bigger pot. The bigger the pot, the quicker they grow. Remember that with banana plants. Bigger the pot, the quicker they grow. These two, I'll probably repot them some in the garden. So this is about it for today's video, everyone. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And assalamu alaikum, everyone.